Thabari ndaya yerirwo yanjagia na ikinya rimwe ikoretwo ri thabari hari Ceceni ya K24 kwigwatira uthio mweru minoga na kuhurwo ni toro Wathii ungiahitukire Kijape Street mwaka-ini wa DSM nginya mathaa ma utuku mihango ya tariota ya gaturu hindi ya mahanda mirigo iria yarehagwo kuma nja ya bururi ikibokorerwo haha na gutorwo imwe kwa imwe na njira ya macini cia kuoya mirigo nginya ngoroba ya kana kuria ituriro rieru ria Ceceni ya K24 rianyitithitio thinga. Giki kiri kiambiriria kia ikinya rieru riria riabaciriirwo wega ria kururumo ruthio wa Ceceni ya K24 muoroto ri gutigira Ceceni ino ni egwatira wiroreri mukaru hari mohoro na nginya tabarira ciikuraine nginya cia gucanjamura mbeu njithi. Kiria kiarumireirie ari kunyitithio thinga kwa mihango ya uthondeki weru ya Ceceni ya K24 aruti wira K24 makinyita itemi kuhotha utaramu wao niguo gutigirira kioneki giki ni giakinyanira o umwe akigacirithia mwena wake gutigirira gutire mwena wogoma.
Hey there, it's yet another Friday night here in Nairobi, Kenya.
Na thutha wa mieri ya gwitungumania na kugeta icoka gutigirira kiria kionagwo tari kiroto ni giakinyanira na kuonwo na maitho hatari kuria marigu wiro kiambiriria guku nguthi cio memereki ikigwa kiharo niguo kumenyerana na uthio uyu mweru na riu witikika na urege muthi uria wathigireirio wikurikia gukia.
We are saying that we are no longer going to be that staid brand. We want to be a brand that is daring, out there, engaging, and basically you have to get everything that you want from this particular station as a TV viewer.
It's what's on refers has a double meaning. What's on TV at the moment and what's on, what's hot, what's happening right now will be found on the new look K24.
Kuma kwi matawa, kamera cia kiriu, andiki a mohoro mecemba gukurehera tabarira na mohoro mena uigiririki magitongorio ni njamba itiganite iria kurehagira tabarira mwaki nginya cia uteti. Na haha ndungitigithia ni amu tabarira mwaki ciumanite thutha o ati ndungithigiriria gutegetura mutambo kumana na tabarira iria uhaririirio kuma guko bururi-ini na nja wa bururi na gwakinya ni rwimbo ukarumbuiya ro wega.
You got the keys to my Jeep.
Playlist 254.
It's premium content that is on at the particular moment and it can be found on K24.
It will give you content that you'll probably not see anywhere else. And this is clearly in response to the people that we've been speaking to and exactly the kind of content that they want to see on TV.
Hatiri undu tangaja mitaratara yothe riu ni miarire Ceceni ya K24 na iria yukite na uthio mweru iria gutigaga ucanjamukite mathaa mothe 24 na hatiri gucoka na thutha.